Crescent Nursery and Primary School, Tanjore presents Standard 2 Term on English, Unit 1, Part 3, Our Kitchen. See, the big picture has been there. Okay, big picture. It's a very big room. It's a very big room having one girl with key in her hand, a boy, a bat in his hand, a sofa with a pillar on it, a cupboard, a flower vase on it, and a fish tank with fish. Okay, and the ball is under the table. The television is on the wall, and the clock is showing 4 o'clock. What else you want? The color of the wall is yellow, the color of the floor is orange. These are the things we can observe, isn't it? Okay, how many floors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that you can observe. Big picture, you have to observe it. Now we are going to ask some questions. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Questions. What is in the girl's hand? A key is in the girl's hand. Already this one is given. What is in the girl's hand? A key is in the girl's hand. What is in the boy's hand? Okay, what is in the boy's hand? A bat is in the boy's hand. Is it correct? Computer, please. A bat in the boy's hand. A bat is in the boy's hand. Next one. What is on the wall? There's a television. Okay, television box is on the wall. Is it correct? Computer, please. A television is on the wall. We are right. What is under the table? A ball is under the table. Is it right? Computer, please verify your answer. Yes. A ball is under the table. Okay, next one. What is in the tank? Fish in the tank. Yes, yeah, correct. Fish in the tank. Next one. What is on the sofa? A pillow is on the sofa. A pillow is on the sofa. What is on the cupboard? A flower vase is on the cupboard. A flower vase is on the cupboard. Next one. What is on the hanger? A violet shirt is on the hanger. What is on the hanger? A violet shirt is on the hanger. What is the color of the wall? It is yellow, isn't it? The color of the wall is yellow. Computer, please give the answer. Color of the wall is yellow. Next one. What is the time by the wall clock? What is the time? It is 4 o'clock, isn't it? Yes. Please, computer, please. The time is 4 o'clock by the wall clock. Okay. Note to the teacher. Encourage the children to answer orally. Teach them to ask and answer questions with what? Practice the structure contextually in the class. Okay, this is what the question. So many questions. What is the color of the floor? How many flowers are there? How many fish are there? Okay, we can ask so many questions and we can get the answer too. Okay, let us go to the next slide. I can do. I write the names of the utensils. I write the names of the utensils. What is utensils? Here one is there. That is mixie or mixer. This one is knife. This one is bowl. Here it is given. Knife, bowl given. What you have to do? You have to write the correct name under each picture. You have to write the correct name under each picture. Okay, what is this? This is mixture. You have to write M-I-X-E-R, mixture. What is this? This is knife, isn't it? You have to write K-N-I-F-E, knife here. What is this? It's a bowl. So, okay, bowl. You have to write the name, write B-O-W-L, bowl here. Okay, mixer, knife, bowl. Computer, are we correct? Come on. Give the answer. Mixture, knife, and bowl. Oh, we are right. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Read the sentence and write true or false. Read the sentence first. We cut with the knife. We mix with the recipe book. We make milkshake with mixie. We try with pan. We fry, not try. It is we fry with pan. Okay, we cut with the knife. Okay, what we use for knife? What for we use knife? To cut, isn't it? Is it true? Right, it is true. We mix with the recipe book. What is recipe book? A book written all cooking methods, isn't it? That is called recipe book, isn't it? We mix with recipe book? No, wrong. So we make milkshake with mixie? Yes, we make milkshake with mixie. We we fry with the pan? Yes, we fry with pan. Yes, it is true. It is true. Okay. Computer, are we right or not? Yes. We cut with knife is true. We mix with recipe book is wrong, false. Then we make milkshake with mixie is correct, right, true. And we fry with the pan is right, true. Okay. Let us go to the next slide. Okay, are you able to understand what it is? Yes, come on, let's go to the next one. Match the word with picture. What is this? First one is stir. Who is doing stirring here? Here it is stir. Okay, next one is what? Chop. Chop means what? Making small pieces. Okay, here the man is making small pieces of vegetable. And boil. Boiling egg in a pan, isn't it? Boil. Okay, match the words with picture. Okay, stir, chop, boil. Computer, are we right? Yes, stir, chop, boil. Yeah, we have done rightly, isn't it? Let us go to the next slide. Arrange the letters and write the correct word. Beat with a, what is this? KHISW. Okay, okay. We have to, this is the jumbling of words. Okay, we have to rearrange it. What is that? WISH, wish, wish. Is it right? WISHK. Computer, please. Yes, we are. Whisk. Okay, next one is beat with a whisk. Cut tiny pieces with a, what is that? EGRATR, EGRATR. We have to rearrange these letters so that we could get a meaningful word. What is that? GRATER, greater. Greater, yes, yes. Computer, are we right? Yes, greater. We are right. Now recite the poem Bender the Blender. Bender the Blender poem you have to read in the next slide. Okay. Listen to the teacher and ask questions. Listen to the teacher and ask questions. Ask a pen from your friend. The teacher is telling. Ask a pen from your friend. How do you ask? Will you please, or may I? Something like that you have to put, isn't it? May I have your pen? Is it right? Let us see. Let us say. Okay. Okay. Next. May I have your pen? Yes, very correct. And ask a notebook from your brother or sister. Bro, sis. Now they are calling bro or sis. Sis instead of brother or instead of sister, they are calling bro. Okay, like that. Ask a notebook from your brother. Okay. How do you ask? Bro, please give me your notebook. Like that. Please give me a notebook. Like that. Okay. Or sister, please give me your notebook. Give me a notebook. Okay. Like that we can ask. Like that we can have one. Is it right? Is it right? Computer, please answer it. May I have your notebook, bro or sis? Bro or sis? You are asking brother or to a sister. Okay, bro, may I have your notebook? Or sis, may I have your notebook? Like that you can ask. Okay, next the slide is Bender the Blender. Bender the Blender. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is gloom, hearing the car vroom, vroom. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. Like that you have to you have to sing this song. Okay, you have to sing this song in this way. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Circle the odd one. What is odd one? This is a ball. This is a balloon. What is this? This is rice or sugar or your salt, whatever it may be. This one is play material. Balloon is a play material. What is this? This is eatable, isn't it? So you have to circle this. This is odd. This is play material. Two play materials. Third one is eatables. Next one is bat, oil, and your wheat. Okay, what is this? Bat, oil, and wheat. Now what we have to do? Bat is a play material, oil is an edible food, and this one is wheat is food. So two food items are there. The bat is and is play material. So this one is odd. So you have to circle this. Computer, are we correct? Yeah, see, this one is odd one, and here this one is odd one. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Write C for things you can count and U for things you cannot count. Count, countable nouns, uncountable nouns you are going to see. What is this? Your chair, one chair, two chair, three chair, like that we can count, isn't it? So you have to put C here. This is rice, one rice, two rice, three rice. How many rice you can count? Okay, you cannot, isn't it? So it is, you have to put U, uncountable. Next one is, this is the frying pan. It is countable. One pan, two pan, three pan, like that. So many pans you can count. So it is countable. Okay, are we right, computer? Please verify your answer. Yes, see, this is countable chair, uncountable rice, and countable pan. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Thanks for watching this video. We have provided the details of links of the following videos in our description too. Okay. Unit 1 Part 1 Our Kitchen is the link. Unit 1 Part 2 Our Kitchen, this is the link. And Unit 1 Part 3 is this is the link. You can click here also. In your screen you can click, you can directly be taken to the Unit 1 Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, something like that. Okay, this is from Kazan Nursery and Primary School, Tanjavur. Thank you.